Okay. Let's do it. I'm like money to these hoes, cause I come and I go. Got the competition running and still we looking for more. Here in search of that dough and keep a little something to roll. Teach you everything you need to know. Just bring it in close, cause I'm real and I don't recognize you. I advise you to state your purpose, cause if you fake, you waste time and it ain't worth it. For me to deal with you, keep it real and don't keep anything, that's win or lose. Failing ain't an option, haters are only obstacles. Switch my style on you followers, I'm pulling audibles. Excuses no longer tolerated, just save it. Looking for another hit, boy, we just made it. We just made it. We just made it, yeah. We just made it. Oh, I ain't one to play with. Money on my mind, mind on my money. Put that on the ride, put it on the line. I'm my best gamble, straightforward, that's my best angle. You don't know what you got until it's gone. Lost my mind trying to put us all on. Tight circle kept with people I call on. Been waiting so long to tell them haters so long. Yeah, and we ain't coming back. This a one-way trip, one carry-on backpack. Like, put a lot of weight on my last name, but I know my son could carry all that. This for you, boy. Ay, ballers are only option, largest amounts of it. Swear my great-great-grandkids finna love me. Yeah, ain't nothing changed but the minds of the ones that debated on my success. Boy, we just made it.